The Alabama Department of Public Health is reporting several influenza-related deaths in recent weeks.
News 19's Emily Mosner spoke with a medical officer to get those details and explain what trends we're seeing in North Alabama.
We're not releasing any additional details about location but we have had now 4 deaths.
Alabama Department of Public Health Medical Officer Dr. Wes Stubblefield tells me 3 of those deaths were non-pediatric and 1 was a pediatric death. Dr. Stubblefield says severe influenza cases that can lead to a flu-related death typically occur in people who fit into high-risk categories.
People that are older than age 50, especially older than age 65, people who have compromised immune systems, people that are pregnant, and then very young children or people who have underlying medical conditions.
However, he says even people with no medical history can get a severe case of the flu. He urges everyone to take precautions like getting a flu shot, washing your hands, watching your cough, and staying home when you feel ill.
You just don't want to go to work or school sick. You want to make sure that you know if you've got something that can be spread to other people.
Dr. Stubblefield says sometimes it can be hard to tell if you have the flu, COVID-19, or a common cold. However, flu usually brings a fever, cough, sore throat, and a runny nose.
Many times the flu it comes on very rapidly. It seems to get bad very quickly, so that can be a defining feature.
The doctor said this about the current level of community spread.
I can tell you that many doctors' offices are just absolutely covered up with patients with influenza. It's definitely high compared to the last couple of seasons and high for this time of year, the highest we've seen this time of year since the 2009 H1N1.
The Alabama Department of Public Health says the prevalence of the flu is above baseline in all jurisdictions across the state. However, North Alabama has had the least number of outpatient visits. Reporting in Huntsville, Emily Mosner, News 19.
We have more information on those flu-related deaths, as well as a link to the most recent weekly report from the ADPH in this story on WHNT.com.